What's the meaning of countertenor? Countertenor. Countertenor.
Countertenor. Countertenor. A countertenor is a type of male singing voice that is in the same range as a female contralto or mezzo-soprano. This type of singing is achieved through a unique vocal technique that emphasizes the use of the falsetto register. The resulting sound is often described as ethereal, sweet, and haunting. Countertenors were popular in medieval church music but fell out of favor during the 18th century. However, they have experienced a resurgence in popularity in recent years, with contemporary composers creating new works specifically for this distinct vocal style.